In this video, I'm going to show you how to play The Middle by Jimmy Eat World off of their album Bleed American. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today we have The Middle by Jimmy Eat World. Comment down below if this is your favorite Jimmy Eat World song. And let's dive in. All right, let's start at the top with this intro riff. It's gonna be all eighth notes here, starting at the 4th fret of the 4th string. We're gonna hit that twice and then play a bunch of open 4th strings. And then back to the 4th fret, to the 2nd fret, and then we're gonna move to the 4th fret of the 5th string. Slide up to the 5th fret of the 5th string, back to the 4th fret, and back to the 5th. Again, that's all eighth notes, and listen carefully to the song to figure out when exactly to change those notes. I'll play it through one more time, slow, starting on the 4th fret of the 4th string, jumping to open 4th, then 4th fret, 2nd fret, and then to 4th fret of the 5th string. Then to the 5th fret of the 5th, 4th fret, 5th fret. One more time, full speed. From here, we move into the verse. The verse is going to be drop D power chords. So that's where you play the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings on the same fret. Okay, and in this case, we're going to start with an open 6th, 5th, and 4th. All eighth notes, 2 measures there, and then we go up to the 7th fret. 2 measures there, then to the 5th fret, and then back to open. At this point, the rhythm guitar is going to play that exact part again. And the lead guitar will kick in with this part. We're going to be using the 3rd and 4th strings here only. We'll have the 7th fret on the 3rd string, and we'll be playing an open 4th string throughout this whole part. All eighth notes, then it'll move to the 6th fret, and then jump right back to the 7th. So we have this so far. From here, it'll jump down to the 4th fret quickly, and then to the 2nd. Then up to the 6th momentarily, and then right to 7. Let's play that part in full, slow. The chorus is going to start with a big D chord. Okay, so that's where we're playing the shape of an open D. Okay, so for those of you unfamiliar, that's 2nd fret 1st string, 3rd fret 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, open 4th string, and in this case, because we're in drop D tuning, we're going to also play the open 5th and 6th. So we have 2 bars of that following this right hand rhythm pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to move to an A chord. Same right hand rhythm. Now we're going to move up to the 5th fret, play a drop D power chord on the 5th fret, but we're going to add 7th fret 3rd string and 8th fret 2nd string. Same rhythm. And then back to that big D chord. Now we're into the 2nd verse. 2nd verse is exactly the same as the 1st. So we have that rhythm guitar part, open strings here, then 7th fret, 5th fret, all 8th notes, and then back to open. Here, the lead part kicks in. And then back into the chorus chords. Second time in this chorus. So you'll notice that we play that chord structure twice in the 2nd chorus. All right, now we're into the more complicated part of the song, which is the solo. Solo's going to start like this. We're going to be on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. We're going to hammer on the 3rd, pull off back to the 2nd, and then release to open. Okay, and then we move to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, hammer on 4th, pull off 2nd, release to open. So we have this. Then we're going to move to the 4th string. So that's a hammer on from 4 to 5, pull off to 4, and then release to open. Same pattern on the 5th string. So altogether, that run sounds like this. From here, we're going to play the 4th fret of the 4th string, then open, 4th fret of the 5th, open 4th. Altogether so far. Then we're going to go to the 4th fret again. We're going to octave swipe now. And then slide up to the 7th fret. Down to 5, down to 4, back up to 5, back down to 4. And then we're going to do that hammer on the 5th string, hammer on, pull off. And then we're going to hit the open drop D power chord twice. So let's run through that whole section together slow. Then we're going to repeat the run again. from here, we're going to play the 4th fret of the 5th string, then the 5th fret, and at this point, we're going to start playing 16th notes. Up to the 7th fret, then to the 4th fret of the 4th, and then to the 5th fret of the 4th. So that little section. The next section is going to be played on the 4th string. We're going to start on the 4th fret. So we move from 4 up to 5, and then slide up to 7. And then to 5, 4, 5. Repeat. From here, we're going to move into octave swiping again. We'll be at the 5th fret of the 5th string. And then we'll slide up to 7, up to 9, up to 10, back down to 9, and up to 10. So that part sounds like this. The last section of the solo is going to be fast 16th notes, and we're going to be starting at the 15th fret of the 2nd string. Okay, 2 beats, down to the 14th, to the 12th, to the 10th. Then we're going to move over to the 3rd string, 12th fret, and we're going to play that fret while also ringing open the 2nd and 1st strings. Then to the 11th fret on the 3rd, still ringing open the 2nd and 1st. Then to the 9th, to the 7th, to the 6th, and then to the 4th. Now let's go through the whole solo one time at about half speed. It's going to sound like this. Coming out of the solo, we move into a 3rd verse, the same as the 1st and 2nd. Rhythm guitar part. The lead part kicks in. And then into the final chorus. And pay attention to that ending. It ends on the and of 4. Down, 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 up, down, up. Was the middle the best song of the early 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.